3, 4, shampoo your hair, 5, 6, touchdown, 7, 8. And you're pivoting back to the front. So let's start again. Your leg is out, you go 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, 2, head, 3, 4, 5, snap, 6, 7, and 8, step again, 1, 2, 3, 4, round 5, 6, up, 7, 8. From here, you're going to do a half T and a T, 1 and 2. So you're just stepping behind you, 1 and 2, chariot around, 3, look, 4, and it's coming to your hip. 4, you're going to look, 5, hold, 6, shimmy, 7, and my right foot's coming forward in a dig, and down, 8. Make sure your arms are back. So again, you just did 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, around 3, down 4, look, 5, hold 6, shimmy 7, 8. From here, you're going to come up 1, 2, pop out and bring around the head, 3, 4, drag up your legs, 5, 6, hips to the left, 7, 8. So let's do that again. You just, let's start from the beginning. So you're here, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, 2, up, 3, 4, snap, 5, 6, up, 7, down, 8, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pivot, 7, 18, 1, and 2, around 3, down 4, look, 5, hold 6, shimmy, 8, up, 1, 2, around 3, down 4, up, 5, 6, hip, 7, hip, 8. From here, you're going to drag this way, 1, 2, you're going to pop this right leg out, and 3, and 4. So that's coming to a half T, to a low V. That's and 3, and 4. You're going to ball change this right leg back, 5, 6, and I'm crossing my arms over, 5, 6, big bottom off, 7, 8. My arms are in an L. So, again, you just came up, 5, 6, 7, 8, drag 1, 2, hit 3, hit 4, back, 6, kick, 7, 8. I'm going to come back to this dig. 7, 8 to pivot. 1, 2, walk, 3, together 4, jump out, 5, 6, get low, 7, 8. That's pop, right, pop, left. So again, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Walk, 3 together, 4, out, 5, 6, booty, booty. From there, you're going to, since your booty's this way, you're going to shift it around and lock it in. Shift it around, lock it in. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is where it says come alive. Ready? You just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, booty 7, booty 8, around 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, up 7, 8. And I'm in a dig on my right leg. From here, you're going to drag forward. 1, my head is going back. 1, step 2, snap out 3, step 4, out 5, 6, and 7, hold 8. Let's back up a little bit. So you just turn around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drag 1, 2, snap 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. Drag 1, 2. Make sure you snake that head, that chin comes up. 1, 2. Prep 3, 4. Double pirouette 5, 6. You're coming out of it with a push. 7 and 8. Okay, and all I'm doing with my arms, push, push, push. Kind of like T's, but your elbows are down and I'm breaking my wrist. So We just did 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 1, 2. Snap. 3, 4. Out. 5, 6, and 7. Hold. 8. 1, 2. Prep. 3, 4. Double. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Around. 1. Out. 2. Booty. 4. Snap. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to step 1. My arms are still back. Prep here on 2. Make sure this leg is turned out. Big tilt. Looking over that right shoulder. 3. If you can releve, releve. If not, stay flat foot. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So again, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, step again. 7, pivot, 8. No, I'm sorry. I told you right there first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, that was correct. After that, you're going to go down 1, 2. You have a little bit of a break. Everything is 2 counts right here. 1, 2, drag 3, 4, in 5, 6, up 7, 8. You're going to snake to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That snake to the front is this. Here, here, hit, 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 up. Okay? From here, you put your hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm doing with that is I'm crossing, lasso in front, and then I'm going high, medium, low. My hands, my palms are facing up, but they're in a fist. So that is, I just came up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, down 4. Bring your arms up 5. This is your prep. That way you can jump up 5 and 6. So it's a little tough jump. All I'm doing is banging my fist on my knee. So it's down, up, down. Okay? So that is, again, came up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Hold 8. You can do a head nod right there. 8. Then you're going to pony. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Head 8. So those arms, they're going in and out, and in and out. Step, T, T, down, head. Yes? So, again, that is, you just set up 1, 2, up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, head 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, head 8. After this, you're going to lean back. 1 and 2. My right arm is coming up first. 1 and 2. Head 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And that is it. So let's back up. Let's try doing the entire thing just with the counts. So you start off, weight is on your right leg, left foot is out. Our